We're about to give you the best video you've ever seen in your life.
I mean, it's no big deal or anything. Pretty awesome. Really?
Really? Really?
Really?
Really?
Really?
Really?
Well, what do you want to do?
So we're gonna dance.
I make the most of all the stress. I try to live without regrets, but I'm about to break a sweat. I'm freaking out. It's like a poison in my brain. It's like a fog that blurs the sane. I'm avoiding the lines 'cause they just might split. Someone stop the noise. I don't know what it is, but I just don't fit. I'm paranoid.
Take my hand, take a breath, pull me close, and take one step. Keep your eyes locked on mine, and let the music be your guide. Now won't you come?
That's not what we're gonna do.
Sugar plum, pumpy and pumpkin, you're my sweetie pie. Big gumdrops, snickums, spickums, yours. You come from here, I come from there. Like out in the room, I rock the world premiere. We're more alike than anybody could ever tell. The apple of my eye. Friday was cool, Monday was free. Sometimes the rules come true. We can hit up the leathers in LA. And I love you so, and I want you to know. They'll always be right here, and you can call me a fool, but it's a simple fact. I got your back. To sing 2 songs to you. Because you are so. And you can tell me I'm cool, but it's a simple fact.